See how shit just got stupid? True Car Club, man. Shit just got real stupid. What's up, my man? How's joint, man? Check me out. Yeah, you know we always promote them True Car Club, man. Let's get it. Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Scoop Light 365, True Addict brand, and this is the beginning, man. 2026. You know what we do on the channel? We build these cars, but I'm doing something different. I have gracefully collected all these cars so y'all can see how we build, how we put them together, and give y'all insight to try to help y'all create y'all collection and build y'all classic cars. So this is what we do, man. 2026. All 2026, we'll be going step by step, showing you exactly what we do. We ain't had and nothing. So y'all can see exactly what to do in situation with certain classic cars, how to put them together right, and how to make them yours and make them yours alone. You know what I mean? So that's what I've been doing. So as you can see here, we got all these cars right here. All these cars I collected over the years. We got Diamantes, we got 929s, we got Lexus, we got Acura, we have LS400s, we got Beamer wagons as y'all can see, Infiniti Q45s, got another Legend coupe right here. We're doing something special with this one, so y'all definitely had to log in for that one. But I collected all these cars, and people always say, hey man, you know, when you gonna get this car together, get the car together? Well, actually, you gotta buy these cars while they're available. You know, y'all know I got all the Mercedes. I got the 4-door, got the wagon. If you can see across there, you see the E36 convertible, you see the 740, and I got some other cars wrapped up right there. E34. Y'all know this is my baby right here, which is my, let me pull this off for you. This is my Acura Legend with the beautiful interior. You know, so that's what we doing, man. All 2026, we're gonna build these cars right. And like I said, people was, hey man, when you gonna do this and when you gonna do that and when you do this? Well, this is actually what I do. This is just not some little hobby that I do to try to impress people or run around and say, oh, I got this car, because I've been having these cars. This is what I do. True Addict Custom. So 2026, y'all see the build of all these cars step by step, so I can show y'all what y'all need to do to these cars if y'all want to be in this game. I'm at the top of my game. I'm one of the top guys around here, hands down. 18 classic cars, and we're gonna rebuild 18 classic cars. Even the ones y'all see me with that's dope, it's nice, and the ones I already built, we redoing those, you know, for the channel. So y'all stay logged in to YouTube, and we're gonna get straight to it. We're gonna start building, and that way we can help y'all do what y'all do. We do what we do, man. Y'all also got to remember, you know, we're doing a museum. That's the main goal, is to get a classic car museum. It's taking a little bit with the land and property and getting stuff together, but that's what we're doing. This channel, follow me on the channel. Not only I'm going to show you how to build the cars, I'm going to show you my day by day, move by move, how I buy these cars, how I get these parts, you know, how I deal with people, how, you know, sometimes it could be a little difficult, so y'all could be able to maneuver when y'all get into this business. But yeah, here we go. Here we go, man. Like I said, I'm going to take you day by day, step by step. So log in, Scoop Light 365. This segment is the True Addict Custom Builds. And we also had the podcast up there too, where we sit down and talk about these certain cars to give y'all more information. So you're always going to be constantly getting information from this channel. Just log in, lock in. I'm the top in the world, man. I'm the top guy in the world. I'm telling you, 18 cars down. We're going to go through them all. Build, rebuild, bring them back to life, and enjoy the pleasures of being a car collector. Let's go.